it goes.
It looks like that, what's that ice cream?
Feel the steam. Very warm. Don't touch it. It would burn you. Okay, so that was pretty cool. But what's going on here? This is an experiment called elephant toothpaste, and it takes a couple things to know. First, you need hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is what you use at home to clean out cuts. The difference is this is a little more high potent. It's 30% as opposed to the 3% that you might get at home. The next ingredient that you'd want to add is your catalyst, potassium iodide. A catalyst, as we know from our previous unit, is something that initiates or activates a reaction into happening. So that's what causes it. The next one is dish soap. I don't think I need to explain much more. It's just dish soap. Let's start with some observations. As you can see here, these are some of the groups that were working in class today. They took a graduated cylinder, they put the two chemicals in, and when they mixed soap and hydrogen peroxide and then added their catalyst, the potassium iodide, they came up with this really foamy, gooey stuff. If you're wondering why it's different colors, we just added dye to them to make them different colors. So anyway, we get this foamy elephant toothpaste looking like substance. And it was a lot of fun to look at. So let's break it down. What's going on here? Well, in the Erlenmeyer flask, I did this in reverse this time. We have potassium iodide inside the flask, along with some soap and some blue dye. So what we're going to see is a rapidly expanding elephant toothpaste foam that's blue. Here I am adding hydrogen peroxide. Now remember how hydrogen peroxide bubbles when you put it on an open wound to clean out the infection? Well, it's going to bubble here. Just since this is 30%, we get a little bit more of intense reaction. And it picks up speed, and steam is released, which is water. And also we get a lot of heat that you can see some students are starting to feel now. Now you wouldn't want to touch the foam because it might burn your skin, but at a safe distance we can feel some of the heat radiating off of there. Here it is again, the one you saw at the beginning of the video. Same thing, different color. When the hydrogen peroxide reacts with the potassium iodide, we get oxygen gas released and water. Those are our products. So I hope you enjoyed this little demonstration on elephant toothpaste. Pretty cool, right? And it really all it took was hydrogen peroxide, potassium iodide, some dish soap, and food color. Now your stuff, you don't have to record anymore. Your stuff is